this is Amalia. I'm here to present the project movie recommendation system. Um, this project aims to provide a recommendation and save time consuming. This is done by Amulya GL and Ashita Young. In today's fast-paced world, people turn to movies as a way to relax and unwind. However, with an overwhelming number of movies available, selecting the right one can be time-consuming and challenging. To address this issue, we introduce a movie recommendation system that employs content-based filtering. This system suggests movies to users based on the content of the movies they are currently watching. In the digital era, recommendation systems like those in YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime use user preference to enhance the experience. This project based on the content-based filtering with a TMDB movie dataset aims to create a user-friendly movie recommendation model using Streamlit and Python libraries like Pickle, Scikit-learn, NumPy and Pandas, offering personalized suggestion based on users' behavior. There are three types of recommender system, that is content-based, collaborative filtering and hybrid. The content-based recommender system recommends other movies which are similar to that of selected movies. Collaborative filtering, the recommendation system recommends movies which are rated highly by the similar users. Hybrid recommender system combine collaborative and content-based techniques to provide more accurate and diverse recommendations. Dataset collection for this project. The TDMB 5000 movie dataset is used to make movie recommendations, and the datasets can be found at the kaggle.com. The dataset is made up of two CSV files, that is TMDB 5000 movies.csv and TMDB 5000 credits.csv. Libraries and technologies used for this project. Heroku deployment. Heroku makes the system accessible to the online, allowing user to access the movie recommendation system from any devices using the internet. Content-based filtering. Content-based filtering helps in the recommending movies based on their content, such as genre, plot and keywords aligning with user preferences. Streamlit. Streamlit is used for website development, creating a user-friendly interface for inputting movie preferences and receiving recommendations. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn provides a machine learning tools for feature extraction and similarity calculation critical for determining movie recommendations. Pickle is used for serializing and deserializing Python objects, allowing for efficient storage and retrieval of recommendation models. Pandas is employed for data preprocessing and cleaning, ensuring that the movie dataset is ready for analysis. NumPy is used for numerical computation, helping in handling movies, data efficiency and performing various mathematical operations. Cosine distance. Cosine distance measures the angle between two vectors, aiding in the calculation of similarity between movies based on their content. Bag of words. The bag of words is a model transform movie description into numerical vectors, making it possible to analyze and compare the movie content. AST, abstract syntax tree, is utilized for processing and understanding the structure of movie description, helping in content-based analysis. Count vectorizer. Count vectorizer converts the movie description into numerical feature vectors, a crucial step in content-based recommendation. Cosine similarity computes the similarity between movies vectors, essential for identifying recommending movies that align with the user preferences. Proposed methodology for this project: data collection and pre-processing. The data is collected from TMDB movie dataset, and then it is pre-processed addressing missing values and data imbalances. Future selection through visualization. Visualization techniques were used to identify important features of recommendations. Text to vector conversion. Movie descriptions were transferred into numerical vectors using count vectorizers from scikit-learn, excluding stop words. Cosine similarity for movie comparison. Cosine similarity was employed to measure movie similarity based on their description. Recommendation generation. The system uses the similarity matrix to provide personalized movie recommendation to the users. This is a screen capture of the project. It will recommend the movie based on user preference. If we give avatar, it will recommend these movies with a poster. It will recommend the movies similar to the avatar. Here we imported the two libraries NumPy and Pandas for preprocessing and reprocessing. The data sets are read using pd.read.csv. Movies.head will show the data set columns and rows. Budget is the movie budget. Genres is the type of the movie. Homepage is the movie homepage. ID is movie ID in TMDB movies. The original language is language of the movie, and the title of the movie. This is the overview of the movie and the popularity. The production companies that is producing the movies, and the countries, release date, revenue, runtime, spoken language. These are the columns. In credits, there is a movie ID and title of the movie, and the cast, the director who produced the movie. Here in movies, we will convert from home page to remaining columns to tags using this code. We will extract the important features from the movies, that is movie ID, title, overview, genres, keywords, cast, crew, which are necessary for the recommendation of the movie. Here we delete the duplicated word. Some of the data sets are in unformatted form, so we will convert it using this function. When we convert this, it will look like this. For keyword genders, we will apply that. So after that preprocessing, the data in the columns and rows will look like this. For cast also in unformatted form, so we write a function and convert the cast in this form. In Creo, we only want the director name, so we will write a function and we will fetch the director name. This is director name. After converting those columns into tags, the data set will look like this. In these data sets, we need to remove the spaces, stop words. We will do it using NLTK. Coder stemmer is used to remove the grammars like action, acting, will be converted to only one word, that is act. Here we are converting the tags into vectorization, so that vectors will be compared and the vector which is close to the other vector is the movie that recommended. Cosine similarity is used to calculate the distance between the vectors to recommend the movies. Finally, the function which will recommend the movie. If we give recommend Gandhi, it will show these recommendations. Pickle is used for serialization and deserialization of the machine learning code to other platforms. Conclusion: cleaned up the data that I got from the TMDB. We performed exploratory data analysis on the data, such as extracting valuable insights from it, removing missing values and reprocessing the data so that we could train our model on it. When a user visits our website, the types of the title of a movie into the search bar. Here she will see some auto suggestion related to the movie.